Com 1 set to the Arlington CTAF. Com 2 is set to Seattle approach for this area. Nav 1 set to the Peen VOR. Nav standby is set to Seattle VOR. Nav 2 is set to the Seattle VOR. Standby is Peen VOR. Com 2 active is Boeing Field ATIS and ground. Out, transponder squawking 1200. Autopilot is off and checked. Altitude bug set to 3000. Heading bug is set to the runway heading 340.
Arlington traffic Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, departing runway 34, be westbound Arlington, upwind traffic in sight.
Slight crosswind from the left. Power is set, fuel flows at the red line, airspeed's alive, gauges are green.
Traffic 620 Mike Papa, departing runway 34, northwest departure.
Positive rate, gear coming up. Gauges are all in the green.
Arlington traffic Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning left crosswind 34, westbound Arlington. Boeing Tower Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Bellevue, information, Papa, landing.
That's 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, right traffic, runway 32 right, report Seward Park.
Report Seward Park, right traffic, 32 right, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Boeing Tower, good afternoon again, Tango November, turbine otter 707 Kilo Alpha Medina for the stadium transition.
Air 707 Kilo Alpha, Boeing Tower, transition approved. Boeing altimeter 3010, traffic over Bellevue, inbound to Boeing Bonanza. They're above you at 1600.
7 Kilo Alpha, no contact.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, traffic Medina, southbound Amphib, below you at 1500. That means below you at 1000, I mean.
Traffic in sight, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, Seward Park.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, runway 32 right, clear to land, wind 31010.
32 right, clear to land, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Traffic, 3 o'clock, 2 miles, 4...
3 green. Turn and final on above the Pappy. 3 green, mixture's rich, props coming in. Full flaps. Prop coming forward. On glide path, correcting for the crosswind. On center line, on speed, on glide path. Slightly low, a little bit of crosswind from the right, a little bit of power.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, on a ground point on off, yeah.
Over the ground, 46 Foxtrot, thank you.